Good morning children, welcome to the online class. In the last class we have solved the problems based on SAS congruence. This class let us solve the problems based on ASA congruence as well as AAS congruence rule. Already have learned about ASA and AAS. What is ASA congruence rule? States that two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle should be equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. You have to state the rule, draw the figure, then go for in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, BC is equal to EF. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by which rule? That is ASA rule. What is AAS rule states that? It states that two triangles are congruent if two angles and a side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles on the side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. For example, angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle E, then AC is equal to DF. Then the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by which rule? That is AAS rule. What's the difference between these two rules? You see, there are two angles one side. Here are also two angles on one side. But what's the main difference is in ASA rule, if you apply ASA rule, if you take any two angles, the side should be a common side for the two triangles. See, if you have taken these two angles, the common side for these two angles is BC. If you have taken angle A and angle B, which will be the included side for that? It is AB. If you have taken a E and F, you have to take the included side of the two angles itself. That is EF. So let us solve the problems and we can understand how to solve the problems. First exercise, same 5.1. Example 3. In that he says that AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD, angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Angle B is equal to angle C. They are alternate angles. Then in the given he says that O is the midpoint of what he says is AD. If O is the midpoint of AD, then it is understood OA is equal to OD. What I am supposed to prove? That triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. So to prove that, now in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, angle OBA is equal to angle OCD because they are alternate angles. AB is parallel to CD. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD because they are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC. By which rule? It is AAS rule. These two angles are taken. This is the other side. It is not the included side. Therefore, which rule I am supposed to write? It is AAS rule. Now, let me see in this problem. The problem here it states that here, see, AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. AD and BC are equal. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to line segment AD. So AD and BC, let me check out the problem. That is exercise 5.1. AD and BC. AD and BC are equal perpendicular bisector to the line segment which is that is AB. Yes, this is the line segment. Which is that line segment is to line segment AB. Line segment. What are AD and BC? They are perpendicular bisectors, which means that angle B and angle A will be equal to how much? 90 degree. What we have to show that CD bisects line segment AB means I am supposed to show that OD is equal to OC. If I show that OD is equal to OC, then it is understood that this CD line segment bisects which line? That is AB segment. Got it? What I am supposed to show? CD bisects the segment which is that is AB. To show that, have to prove that OBC. See here, this is 90 degree, here also it is 90 degree. Angle OAD is equal to angle OBC. Angle OAD is equal to angle OBC is equal to 90 degree because it is already given. Then which angle are equal, tell me? Angle AOD, this angle is equal to this. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. Angle AOD is equal to angle AOD is equal to angle VOC because vertically opposite angles. You have to write the reason. Vertically opposite angles. Then he has already given AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Therefore, triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBC. When two triangles are congruent, by which rule that is? Two angles and one side have taken, so it is ASA rule. Once I have said AAS rule. So once when I told that two triangles are congruent, corresponding parts will be equal. OD is equal to OC. Therefore, I can write OD is equal to OC. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Therefore, I can write CD bisects segment. What is that is? AB. Got it, children? All the problems are easy. Only thing you have to learn the basic. If you know the basic, you can go on doing all the problems. Please do the problems, children. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.